Hi everybody, thank you for watching. Today we will be making adorable fondant edibles you can make at home for your next party with Maria Loves Art. Don't forget to watch my video, Fondant Sunflowers with Maria Loves Art. Please comment, like, share, subscribe. Thank you. I am adding a little bit of vanilla extract to give it some flavor, and then confectioner's sugar so it will not be sticky. What you do is you mix it up and then you roll it out, and then I use the cutter to make some shapes, which will be the heart. Let's go ahead and paint some lines. We'll be adding 4 lines, and then we'll be going the other way and adding other lines across it. Once you start doing it, it'll get easier and you will be able to do it a little faster. You can do it, I know you can. Go ahead and put them aside so we can do something else. Let's go ahead and roll out some fondant, and what you need is a pencil, paper, and some scissors. We are going to make a template of a onesie. You can cut it out and you can use that as a guide. It's already so adorable. Go ahead and put the template on the fondant and let's cut out some onesies. Roll out the fondant and then use a stencil of any letter of your choice and cut it out. So cute. Now it's time to do the cute little onesies. All we have to do is make some lines one way and then we will make some lines another way to make a little checkered print. These are going to be so cute. I know you would just love them. How adorable. After you finish some of these tutorials, you will be so amazed on what you can do. Let's use the edible marker to make some little stitches. Let's go all the way around and then we will make some little buttons in the center. I used a thicker marker for the buttons in the center. It just seemed to work out so much better. Let's go ahead and make a little watermelon slice. I'm using the red and then I'm going to use the green, and then I'm going to use a dark color to just outline it and make the little seeds. It's going to be so cute.